Welcome to the most exciting, shocking, and dangerous stunts and heavy equipment failures you'll ever see. You won't believe your eyes. In 2019, the Dargan tank and Martin's K700 from KFL Dam faced a tug of war. The tank struggled against the K700's pull, ending in a dramatic, catastrophic clash. The wind turbine blade slipped, resulting in a tragic accident that surprised everyone. The machine tipped back the right way just in time. Fortunately, there were no accidents here. The driver is truly a master. That's right, we can never know what will happen. So sit back, grab your snacks, and prepare for these thrilling moments of dangerous stunts and heavy equipment failures that will keep you on the edge of your seat. The bulldozer tipped over with a loud crash, creating a shocking scene. The sound was scary, and everyone was surprised as they watched what happened next. A man was using a bulldozer to bring soil near a car to unload it. However, the bulldozer suddenly tipped over while unloading, and its tire burst unexpectedly. Loaded and ready, the truck started moving independently, startling the driver. Thankfully, the driver acted fast and took control before any mishap occurred. Unbelievable! That massive marble block is on the truck after such an incredible effort. Giving it 200% was worth it. The tanker truck slid for what felt like ages, showing an incredible test of the driver's skill and control. What a clever and creative method to unload a massive pile of wood. The technique is impressive, but slowing down and prioritizing safety is important. Taking extra care ensures everyone stays safe during such tasks. The tree was extremely heavy, making the crane start to tip. It's incredible how quickly the operator regained control and prevented a disaster. This wasn't just a failure. It was a total disaster. An overconfident truck driver carried an excavator heavier than his truck. Ignoring the bridge's warning creaks, everything collapsed spectacularly. This was a disaster like no other. The overloaded truck took a turn, and chaos followed. The heavy load shifted, the truck split, and its wheels rolled away on their own. An excavator tried lifting a loaded truck onto another truck. A risky move. One mistake and disaster hit. The loaded truck tilted. The other followed, and both flipped like stunts. This disaster was unbelievable. A truck carrying heavy equipment reversed confidently at a construction site. Ignoring warnings, the driver kept going until the truck rolled into a ditch and flipped upside down. In an instant, disaster struck. An excavator led by a too confident driver tore down a building, starting with the front wall. The entire structure collapsed instantly, with no escape or backup plan. Then, everything collapsed. A crane struggled to lift an excavator, but the weight was too much. Ignoring the signs, the crane tilted, and seconds later, the excavator and crane tumbled down. In an instant, disaster struck. A speeding truck ignored roadwork and took a sharp turn. It hit a hurdle, jolted violently, and all the dirt spilled out, creating chaos everywhere. In an instant, disaster struck. A heavily loaded truck hit a bump on a rough road, lost control, and flipped over. A man walking behind barely escaped as chaos unfolded. A truck driver, oblivious to his truck still being unloaded, kept driving. As he crossed a bridge, the unstable load caused the truck to wobble, flip over, and create a traffic disaster. This footage will make you question truck driving. A tractor pulling an overloaded truck uphill struggled, lost control, and flipped over, crashing into the truck as it rolled back down. A truck coming down a muddy road lost control while reversing, despite bricks placed in front of its tires. It rolled backward, gained speed, and flipped into the mud before anyone could react. A heavily loaded truck with a massive object on top rolled backward uncontrollably. The clueless driver failed to manage the speed, causing the truck to crash into and completely demolish a wall. This moment will leave you speechless. At a construction site, an excavator was lifting a crane with workers below. Everything seemed fine until the operator made a slight mistake. The excavator slipped, the crane fell, and seconds later, the excavator followed. It's frustrating to watch. This road feels like slippery clay, sticking like awful glue. The truck wheels seem useless, sliding like the road is coated in lubricant. Only once it's pulled out will things return to normal. The MAS 537 effortlessly navigated the slippery runway, demonstrating the incredible power and durability of heavy machinery. It's a perfect example of how well-engineered equipment can maintain control, even in challenging conditions like this. A simple yet powerful tractor. This beast is built to handle tough terrain, effortlessly hauling a massive load of timber. It shows just how reliable and strong heavy machinery can be in action. Unbelievable confidence. It's astonishing how he drove through that mess with such ease, maneuvering the vehicle flawlessly. His skill and control in such a challenging situation are truly impressive. Some roads are truly unforgiving, but thankfully, the crude oil tanker was safely towed despite the harsh weather. This moment highlights the incredible resilience and capability of the heavy machinery involved in handling such extreme conditions. Watching them struggle to get that track pad back on was nerve-wracking, but in the end, it was an incredible save. The tension was real, and the skill needed to fix it was impressive. The excavator faces a steep gradient with unwavering confidence, descending smoothly without hesitation. Its precise control and steady movement through this dangerous maneuver demonstrate the incredible skill and power of the operator and machinery combined. The Westech Woodcracker is known for its efficient operation and excellent cost-benefit ratio. It's built to be sturdy, durable, and versatile, with high-capacity options that easily split thick tree trunks, improving transportation speed and efficiency. This high-tech garbage truck suffered a hydraulic line failure, spraying oil onto the exhaust. In an instant, the oil ignited, resulting in a massive fireball. A simple mechanical malfunction turned into a dangerous, explosive situation in seconds. The dump truck rescue was progressing smoothly until, suddenly, boom! It collided with another obstacle, completely derailing the operation. The unexpected crash was truly unbelievable, adding more chaos to an already challenging rescue mission. These demolition machines, with their powerful engines and impressive capacity, effortlessly crush old beams thanks to their superior strength. They dive straight into the job, applying enormous pressure to transform solid structures into rubble with precision and force. Oh no! The tractor lost balance while hauling hundreds of tons of silo. Every second, the load pushed the vehicle beyond its limit, turning the operation into a disaster. In the blink of an eye, everything flipped, causing uncontrollable chaos. A 40-ton bulldozer crosses a shaky mountain bridge as the operator wisely steps out to stay safe. Tension rises, and in an instant, everything spirals out of control, leading the bulldozer to make an epic, uncontrollable exit. 1 second of carelessness and everything goes wrong. A truck was carrying a heavy object and the driver looked confident, as if he mastered physics. The moment he took a turn, the object tipped over and crashed to the right. Workers watched in disbelief. Well, there you have it. Some of the craziest, dangerous stunts and heavy equipment failures caught on camera. Watch as these reckless drivers destroy everything in their path. If you think this was insane, just wait till you see what we uncovered in our last video. It's on a whole other level. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next insane compilation. See you in the next one.